working like a dog, day and night, trying to finish up this job and do it right. There's only a few things that a man like me needs, and Jesus whiskey, and you're right next to me, singing, hey honey, I'm coming home. I don't know why I'm gone so long. Hey honey, I'm coming home to you. Said, hey honey, promise please that you're gonna leave the light on for me. Hey honey, I'm coming home soon. And know what we're gonna do. Heaven knows that you put your time into him. Hell of a woman, sweet red wine, and how you choose. Well, let's get one thing straight, it ain't about what you do for me. Well, I'm gonna love you, and I love you loving me. Singing, hey honey, coming home. I don't know why I've been gone so long. Hey honey, I'm coming home to you. Said, hey honey, promise please that you're gonna leave the light on for me. Hey honey, I'm coming home